go, Pengam Bridge. So catch up. Sorry about the camera wobbling, I'm walking up the gap. You want to change your mind again, you know, so couple of yards going in like that now, straightforward track work on there. I was trying to get it so I can drive in and straight out, but nah, I ain't got the room to do it when you get two in there. So I've got 4 in there at the moment, I'll probably add another one. I'm thinking of putting a shed. This is only here now for, no, this is set in stone. There's going to be a relief line coming off there, and at a point over here leading down to a branch line in that corner, so the platform will be cut accordingly. Okay, for the DMU. So that's another plan that's going in. This area, I want to keep this area all clear. Because there's a station building going to go there after the platform is, and obviously a platform as well, and yeah, so this area is going to be kept clear, so this line will just stay here. I just sort of parked a freight train there just to give you an idea of the Western, what's going to happen, but none of this, you know, is set in stone. So the track work, I've finalised the track work now, that's all sorted there, look. Various points and stuff. Seems to be alright. There's a little bit of reaction by there sometimes, I've noticed with the 37. But I haven't had time to have a look at it, so it's something up there. But yeah, you know. The coal yard now is going to go there, in that area. And by here I thought I'd put a British rail yard by here. And some parcels, vans and stuff. And then the station proper will be from there down that way. So yeah, that's, you know, that's where we are now. Got a couple of trains running for you, so there's some more track work to go in. Well, I've just got the pretty basic in for now. You should stop us there a little bit, I'll talk about it. So yeah. So this is what I've come up with now. There's no point working this corner now at all. Well, you keep the crossover, they're always handy. And there's one at the other end as well, which is always handy. Especially if I'm going to run a DMU on you for changing lines, etc. As you can see, she's gliding there, the old plumber. She's gliding. They always do though in Poland, that's a fantastic thing. So yeah. Are you the trains? I've done nothing on the down layout. Good cleaning you'll need. I've got to rewire all the point motors now as well. Still, you know, I knew it would take a lot of work doing this, but I'm happy doing it. You know, I've got it all else to do. Happy days, isn't it? You can see there's a mass of wires, so I cut the wires, so it was a mess anyway before, needed sorting out. So this time, I'm going to do a proper job this time, and wire everything up proper. You know, throat typical and all that. That word that everyone shies away from. Loves it. Let's see, catch you all again. Thanks for watching.